Good morning, guys. In front of me is Oppo Find X3 Neo, and let me show you how to use secret codes on this device. So at first open your phone gallery, then go to keypad, and let's enter the first code, which is *pound 06 pound. And as you can see, this one will provide you with email numbers assigned to your device. So if you need them quickly, it's the best way to reach them. Smoothly enter this code, and you have it right in front of you. So tap on OK to exit. Another code that you can use here is *pound 225 *pound*. And here you've got the calendar info. As you can see, all upcoming events from every calendar that you have connected with your phone would be displayed here. And this is it. So it's very useful just to stay up to date, to not forget about any upcoming event. And another code that I want to share with you is *pound 46 *pound*. And here you've got FCM diagnostic mode. Here you can check events and status. And if you wish to explore it a bit more, tap on more icon and select advanced view. As you can see now, we've got way more details. So this is it. These are all the basic codes that you can use here. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.